Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and today is bid day eve and my house is actually quarantined, which is not ideal, but we are going to reorganize and change some things in our house so we are ready to take pictures and have a fun bid day ourselves tomorrow and meet our new girls on Zoom. It'll be fun. But we have a lot to do tonight, so without further ado, let's get into this sorority bid day vlog. Okay, so we did a lot of stuff tonight to get our house ready for bid day tomorrow, because again, we can't leave. It's fine, it's really fine, but I do need to go shower because tonight was the last round of recruitment, so I still have makeup on and my hair was curled and I really want it to be cute tomorrow, so I need to do that. And I still need to cut my bid day shirt, so a couple things I need to do before I go to bed tonight. But I'm just really excited for tomorrow, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see all that we did. I didn't want to give away too much, but I will see you in the morning for actual bid day. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, September 17th, and it is bid day. This is so weird because I have never experienced a bid day during the week, but I honestly got really lucky because my one class today got canceled because my professor had some things to do personally, so it worked out very well for me that I didn't have any responsibilities or places to be today. I mean, not that I can go because again I am in quarantine, but still I get to be in bid day mode all day long. So I'm already dressed in our color scheme for today, and I actually forgot that I still have not told you guys our theme, and I just keep giving kind of hints and stuff towards it. But these are our shirts for today. And I still have not cut mine, which is a thing we always cut our shirts for bid day. So that's what I'm doing this morning to get prepared. So I'm going to head downstairs to do this in my house and get all pumped up and excited for today. Okay guys, so this is officially my whole bid day look laid out, and if you haven't guessed yet, the theme is Space Cowboys. And this is my shirt that you saw me cutting earlier. I made it into like a backless halter top. So it's super cute. It ties at the bottom and at the top. This is my cowboy hat that I literally hand bedazzled using this bowl of rhinestones, adhesive dots, and my tweezers to do every single individual one. Then I got this bandana because, I thought I was going to need some sort of a mask, so I was going to wear a regular mask under it, and then this bandana over, just because our school does not allow bandanas to be worn as masks themselves, but I don't know if I'll wear that just because I will be inside. Then I got these super cute shorts that are frilly, and they'll be super comfortable because they are shorts. And I believe it is from Misguided, so in love with that. And then the best part of all is these amazing boots, and I am so obsessed with them. It is actually unreal. They sparkle from miles away, and I am so excited to wear them because if you know me, you know that these boots are the best thing that has ever happened to me. So I am so super excited to wear them, and as soon as I get dressed, I will show you the full fit. So I'm all dressed and ready. I am really excited about the way my outfit turned on, and this is the first time I put on these boots, and I really love how my hat came out. Okay, it is officially bid day time. Our banner is hung, and it looks super cute, so we are definitely, again, making the most of the situation, and I'm really excited for tonight and to meet all of our new girls, and I'm honestly really proud of myself because I freehanded these letters without even sketching it out.
Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Lexi if you're new here. Hey guys, so making my guest appearance again in Lexi's vlogs. It's bid day night. As Lexi said, we're currently in quarantine, but we're making the most of it. Also, right now, our school and area is getting the leftover Hurricane Sally or Laura, I don't remember. But it's like cold and rainy out, so we're just kind of hanging out. But we're gonna order dinner and yeah, we can't leave anyways. It's not like we're missing anything, but we're gonna hang out, do takeout, get some good pics. And I just love making my guest appearances in Lexi's vlogs.
Okay, so we are all officially down here and ready
For our virtual
super cute. You're not gonna get in?
Hi!
Okay, so we got our bid list and we are waiting for a Zoom call to open to meet all of our new girls. We are really, really excited going through some pics that we took earlier.
A rough pic.
But yeah, this bid day has definitely been very different. Interesting, but you know, we are again still trying to make the most of it, and we're really excited to get on the Zoom call and meet all of these new girls. So hopefully that'll be coming up shortly. It is like 2 minutes till 7:30, and that's when our call is supposed to start. So we can't wait to meet these new girls and share with you the rest of how our night goes.
Smile for Lexi's vlog. Sister Lexi Vitale has a YouTube channel and she's gonna be famous. Like and subscribe. Round of applause for Kaylin Walter.
I love the energy.
Alright, that kills me. I'm gonna make myself. Bye guys, nice meeting you. Welcome to Kappa Delta.
Okay, so we just got done with bid day. It was a lot of fun. We met a lot of our new girls and they're super cute. So we're really, really excited now. But I think the bid day festivities are pretty much done for the day. Okay guys, honestly, I'm really sad and I don't want to take off my outfit because I spent so much time planning it. And it's my last bid day and I'm going to get emotional. So I'm going to stop, but I just can't believe that this is my last one and that it's over. But it's been a good ride. You know, cowgirls, no, okay, not funny. Well, yeah, I'm sad, I'm really sad. Made the last one a good one. But yeah, that's all for this bid day vlog, and obviously normally our bid day looks a lot different, but being in quarantine and everything else going on, this is what we had to do. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye. Peace out.